150 fast now. 7 left. Kings 120. Short 7 left.
No, we met each other through
Lotus Club.
Yeah, Lotus Club and doing track days, and obviously share a mutual passion for Lotuses and motorsport. So yeah, third time together. This is it's working well.
Yeah, we're driving a brand new Lotus Exige V6 Sport 350, which has never really been targeted before. So it's new territory. It's very exciting for us because it's a brilliant car that's very low, very fast, very agile. The kind of thing that you really want to drive on a road in the perfect world if there were no speed limits. And we're living that dream.
Turn 3 right.
Where the number is, so car 124, the number is in problems for the big XW. Yes, alarm 5,000. Oh, big rock on the right front. It's certainly a good job he's done.
3 left onto main.
Brad Decker and Dale Muscat in the